This is tutorial number 35, and it covers how to use COSMOSXpress within SOLIDWORks. To start off, let's open up a part file. Let's open up the COSMOSXpress tutorial part, which I've included on the DVD. Now we're going to do a COSMOSXpress analysis on this part. So let's click the Cosmos Analysis wizard. And to perform a COSMOSXpress analysis on this part, all we have to do is follow the steps in here. So let's click Next. Now we have to choose the material that we're going to say that this part's made of. Let's click aluminum alloy, and let's click 2014 alloy. Click Apply, click Next. Now we're going to choose the restraints on this part. So let's choose the top face and the bottom face as the restraints. Click Next. Click Next. Now we're going to choose the force or pressure and where it's going to be applied to. So let's click Next, and we're going to use force. And the face that we're going to put the force applying onto will be this face, so let's click it. Click Next. And now you're able to see with the directional arrows which way the force is applying. So it's applying into the part, and you can flip the direction, and it can be coming out of the part. Let's make it go into the part, and let's change this to 1000 newtons. Click Next, click Next, click Next, click Run, and now it's going to do an analysis on this part. Now it shows that we have a factor of safety value of 0.304346. Now the higher the value, the more safe the product is, and the lower the value, the less safe. And then if we click Show Me, it's going to show you where it's most likely to break off. So the red area is where it's under the most stress and where it's going to break off. The blue area, the product's fine. Now we can go back and we can click the load, and we can change how much pressure or force that we're putting onto the part. So let's click Load, click Edit, click Next, and let's change this to 5000 newtons. Click Next, and let's run this again. This time our factor of safety value should be lower, and there should be a larger red area. And that's correct, as we have a lower factor of safety value, and if you click Show Me, the red area is much larger. Click Close, click Yes, and now we've done our Cosmos analysis on this part. And that concludes our tutorial on how to use the COSMOSXpress on a part within SOLIDWORks.